Subtraction of fractions with different denominators. Let us learn how to subtract one fraction from another when they have different denominators. In order to do this, there are 3 steps you must perform. Step 1 is to find the LCM of the denominators of the fractions. Now, after you have gotten the denominators of the fractions, the next thing you want to do is to write each fraction as an equivalent fraction with the LCM of the denominators as a common denominator. So that is, you find the equivalent of each of the fractions and ensure that the denominator of the equivalent fraction is common. That is, it is the LCM of the denominators of those fractions you are subtracting. And then the third step you want to do is to subtract the equivalent fractions. So with these 3 steps, you can subtract one fraction from another. So let's take an example. Example: simplify 3/4 minus 2/5. These are 2 fractions with different denominators. So what will I do? Here's the solution. The first step is to find the LCM of the denominators. So we find LCM of 4 and 5. So 2 goes here, 2, 5. 2 goes 1, then 5, and then 5 goes 1, 1. So our LCM is 2 times 2 times 5, which will give us 20. So now that we have our LCM as 20, let us now do step 2, which is to write the equivalent of each of the fractions such that the denominator will be common. And that denominator has to be this 20, which is the LCM of the denominators. So we have to rewrite first 3/4. Now, in order to write 3/4 in such a way that the denominator becomes 20, you multiply the numerator and denominator by the same number. And 4 times 4 to give us 20. That is 5. So therefore, we multiply the numerator by 5 and denominator by 5. This becomes 3 times 5 over 4 times 5. And 3 times 5 will give us 15, while 4 times 5 will give us 20. Now, let's go to the second fraction, which is 2/5. Now, remember that 5 times 4 is what gives you 20. So this time we multiply the numerator and denominator by 4. So this becomes 2 times 4 over 5 times 4. And 2 times 4 is 8. 5 times 4, 20. So you can see they have a common denominator now. So what we are performing becomes 15/20 minus 8/20. Now let's solve this. To solve 15/20 minus 8/20, you draw a division line and put down your 20 as the common denominator. Now we subtract the numerators from each other. That is 15 minus 8. And when you subtract 8 from 15, you get 7. So we have 7 over 20. If the fraction have a common factor, you can use that to divide numerator and denominator in order to bring such a fraction to its lowest term. But in this case, this fraction already exists in its lowest term. Therefore, we can now say 3 over 4 minus 2 over 5 is 7 over 20. And that is the solution to this problem. Thank you.